in this video, I am going to be showing you the ultimate beginner DJ setup. I'll show you why it's worth getting this equipment if you're looking to start out, but also if you're looking to move from beginner to pro. 3 key factors I believe are crucial when purchasing your equipment. The first one obviously is price, the second one is depth of learning, and the third one is future investment. 2 of the 3 pieces of gear that I'm about to show you that are on this desk are actually used by pros in the industry. So not only are they affordable, but you'll just keep them when you advance to the professional level. Here we are. This is the Pioneer DDJ Flex 4 or FLX 4. It is compatible with Rekordbox and Serato, which are DJ software. So you're going to need a laptop. So if you want to throw in the purchase of a laptop, then yes, it will be quite expensive. But let's hope that you have a laptop, because this controller is affordable AF. It's worth spending a little extra on your controller just so that you can get the advanced pro features like the looping options and also the beat effects down the side of the mixer panel. The central mixer panel looks almost the same as the Pioneer industry standard pro equipment. You have the crossfader, the channel faders, color effects, low, mid, high EQs, and a channel trim. Also got mic and headphone controls, and crucially the added beat effects section, which you don't have access to on the cheapest controller on the market. So that's why it's worth it. Well, it's not only that, it's got these pads also, which give you access to hot cues, pad effects, beat jumps, and a sampler. And if you don't know what any of those are, just trust me, they're fun. The other really cool thing about this controller is the crossfader. The crossfader is not just a crossfader anymore. The crossfader is a smart fader. The smart fader allows you to transition from one tempo to another. Transitioning from one tempo to another involves a lot of steps. And so if you're a beginner, that might be a bit complicated for you. And this just pretty much does all the work for you, as well as all of the EQing and the tempo adjustment, and it moves your tracks together from one tempo to another. It's pretty cool. It is. Like the fact that this is on an entry-level controller. It's just so much fun. If you want to get this and you want to learn how to DJ from beginner to pro, I do have a DJ course. It is linked below. I go through it on the high-end Pioneer equipment, but as I said, as long as you can find where that is on here, you can pretty much learn to DJ as a pro using this controller. A lot heavier than the controller, that's for sure. I've had this since I started DJing, and I use it for my DJ streams. This is the Rokit KRK 5s, the classics. A beautiful speaker. It is a colorful speaker. It basically means that it transmits the music as it should be listened to in a colorful way. It is not like the other speakers that I have behind me, which are the Adam Audio T7Vs. They're designed for production so that you can really refine that production. These speakers are designed for listening pleasure. So when you're performing, you want to hear the music translate as it was produced. So the KRK Rokit Classic 5s, there are 5 because of the size of this cone here. This is a 5-inch glass aramid composite woofer, and above it is a 1-inch textile soft dome tweeter, and below it is a bass extension port. So your high frequency clarity at the top, the main body of the sound coming from here, and the bass port on the front so that the bass comes out and slaps you in the face. It's good that it's on the front, because if it was on the back, like some speakers, you would not be able to place this too close to a wall, as the bass would blast out of the back and it would create a lot of rumble and sound. The high frequency extension is 34.5 kilohertz, which is higher than the human hearing spectrum, but there's a reason for that. It's so that it can translate the stuff that we can hear in a clear and direct way. And then the bass extension goes to 46 hertz, which is not the lowest that we can hear or feel. And that's why if you want to upgrade your setup, it might be worth looking at getting a subwoofer. Woof. Part of my existing setup, and I know so many pros that use these speakers in their home studios. If you would like to see a review on the Adam Audio T7Vs, in my opinion, they are the best low-cost, affordable production speaker on the market. I say that and I mean it. Look, I own them, so I really mean it. They are great. So if you're looking for some production speakers as well, check out that review. It is linked above somewhere.
Don't stop.
They're very affordable. They're Sennheiser HD 25s, and you will see the pros wearing these because they're lightweight, they're durable. You can just throw them in your bag and they really do last forever. They translate the sound very well. They're durable in very loud environments. So if you're looking to progress with your DJing and going into a club, these are perfect. They're closed back, which means that they not only retain the sound in the cup, but they also block the sound out from the room as well. So really, really good. You will never need to upgrade your headphones once you get them, unless they break, but they don't break. Not for a while. Are we in focus? I don't even know if it's in... Okay, focus. Take a look at the back of this controller. So this part here, this is an RCA, red and white. You need to plug into this to get sound into your speakers. Now, on a lot of equipment, kind of pro level equipment, you'd have two separate outs. But with this, you just have kind of the one stereo. So with that, if you're going to be having two speakers, you need to take that signal and get it plugged into two speakers. So this cable, you're going to need this as well. RCA. So this is your RCA. You plug that into the back of your controller, and then that signal goes to two Male XLRs. They're males because they have male bits. They plug into the back of the Rokits separately. That splits your signal, and then that gets you being one of those epic DJs for all your friends at the party. Bad man. You will not be disappointed. This is all you're gonna need to start DJing. If you did get something out of this video, and if you got this equipment, please let me know your thoughts in the comments. Even if you're not gonna get the equipment, please say hello, because I love to connect with the people that watch my content. And hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more videos from me. My name is Becky Save. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you for another video. Bye.